Hi, good afternoon. This is Alison from Sonic Group. Today I'm in the workshop to introduce you our continuous charcoal making furnace. Now we introduce the structure. At the same time, I will introduce the process of carbonization also. Okay, now we introduce the structure. This is the host body of the furnace. You can see the whole furnace diameter is 1 meter. The length of the furnace is 10 meters. This is the host body of the furnace. This is rotary drum. Okay, you can see these are burners. These are burners for preheating. Before we load in the materials, we need to preheat the furnace to make the temperature into 600 degrees. Here's the temperature reader. When the temperature reach 600 degrees, we start loading the materials. For preheating, there's two ways for choice. This is the diesel burner. This burner just make fire and push fire to the fire room. This is the chamber for making fire. This fire can burn the furnace. This is a diesel burner. If you don't use diesel, we have another way, namely the natural gas, the liquid natural gas. This is the burner for the natural gas. And there's gasifier for the natural gas. This is the gasifier. It just connect to the liquid natural gas, LPG. Okay. Preheating, we already know that there's two ways. One is liquid natural gas. Another way is the diesel burner. When the temperature reaches around 600 degrees, we start loading the materials. You can see this is the feeding belt conveyor, feeding screw conveyor. The diameter is 325 millimeters. This is also a screw conveyor, feeding the materials into the charcoal making drum. Around 15 minutes, the charcoal will be finished and discharged by this pipe. This is the outlet. And at the same time, the smoke will be led to the fire room to burn and fuel, because there is a combustible gas in the smoke. You can see the pipes. So this is the pipe. This is cyclone to settle down the dust from the smoke, and the rest pure gas will be drawn by the fan and lead to the fire room. This is the burner to start the fire, and this fan is for air, for oxygen to the burn chamber. So when the furnace generates the biomass gas, the preheating system, including the natural gas and the diesel burner, can be stopped. Yeah, it can just burn the biomass gas during carbonization. No need extra fuel. Saving the energy. This is a feature of our furnace. We can see there's one extra pipe. This pipe. This is the water tank. It's for stop the fire from the furnace, just in case some extra gas or fire come out of the furnace. We have a water tank to stop the fire. Okay, this is the whole structure. Any questions, you can just find me. We can talk furtherly. Thank you.